What are you doing?
Nothing, basically. My second hobby. Doing a quick custom. This is a model car, Chevy BelAir body. Interior. Base. Some wheels.
Show me the
A
wheels,
pipe.
please.
Oh, the wheels? So these are basically Hot Wheels mainline wheels. They're pretty big, so they're perfect. And these are made in China model car wheels, which are perfect, absolutely perfect for this being a dragster. Yes, I'm making a BelAir Hot Wheels dragster. So basically, we have a pipe. And that says that there's going to be a turbo inside, but as you can see, it's empty. It's just a model car. But anyways, it's going to look like there's a turbo. Sharpie for detailing. Toothpick, I don't know what that's for. Basically, got a paper clip. In the next video, we're going to show you that we're going to make out of what we're going to make out of this paper clip. And this spoiler, we're going to put on the spoiler. But meanwhile, let's go over the car. So we have the BelAir body and the base. If you don't know how we take these model cars apart, just drill out the rivets, that's all. So basically we're going to take these wheels and just put them into the little clips that they're supposed to go into. Just like that. These are the first wheels. This is not the best customizing video. It's just about how we assemble this car. It's not about how we make all the parts for it. Sorry about that. We gotta have this as even as possible because these mainline wheels don't actually fit the car. There's gonna be overlapping. Alright, wait a second, that's perfect. Now hot glue in the wheels because I broke the clips here. So basically, it's a little story time. How I found this car is when our friends actually were repairing an apartment, there was like these leftover model cars there. So we just found these basically in the trash, and now we are restoring them and customizing them. And after we took this car apart, what we saw is sunflower oil instead of grease put on the wheels, so the wheels did not spin at all. So had little problems with making the car sit properly, but it's like sitting a half millimeter above the ground, very low. So now putting in the interior, and this is what basically the insides of a dragster look like, except there's an engine here. I've wanted to drill out a hole in the hood to take this pipe through, but I'm thinking just glue to here where it's gonna make a realistic enough look. So let's take off the guard, all this excess silicone glue, whatever. And now let's put some silicone glue right there.
The right side, yeah?
Yeah, why not? It's not gonna harm the driver anyway.
Wow, looks amazing.
Thanks. I'm gonna have to remove all this trash. It was junk.
That's wild.
Yeah, look at that pipe. It's a single pipe, but no worries about the size of that thing. It's huge. Good thing there's no passengers there, because the passengers were not gonna see anything because of that giant pipe. Alright, there. As you can see, That is a beautiful
Wild
pipe.
exhaust.
Yep. So now I'm gonna color with Sharpie inside of the pipe. So it's gonna look like there's basically nothing inside of there.
This is the black color.
Yeah, why not? This is a black Sharpie. You can buy it anywhere basically. What I don't like is the wiggle of this pipe. I might later replace the hot glue with super glue or reinforce it. I don't know what to do yet.
But not now, yeah?
Not now. Meanwhile, hold
Maybe
on.
another video.
Yeah. Maybe. For now, we're gonna have it here. It's nice looking.
And what's the next step?
Next step is basically to put on the spoiler.
Oh no, in another video, yeah, the next video.
No,
But now?
we're gonna put the spoiler on now.
Right now?
Yes, but in the next video we're gonna make the supports for the spoiler.
Oh, okay.
Realistic supports.
Okay. Maybe you fix the car now.
What?
You fix the car.
No. Put on the spoiler first. Everybody's gotta see what my glorious metal making skills are with this spoiler. It's absolutely
Show me what you're doing.
ginormous. Just hot glued it on. Absolutely wrong. Terrible hot gluing skills. I gotta... That's how it's done. Sorry about all these hands, and I didn't do it correctly again. Okay, please don't post this on YouTube. It's me doing absolutely terrible mistakes. The simplest thing in the world, basically hot glue. There we go. That's perfect looking. That is what you call a spoiler. It's basically spoiling your car with spoilers. It's absolutely huge. But it doesn't look too good with all the hot glue. So you have to, for spoilers, you have to put as little glue as possible so they look like they're actually bolted onto the car. Or, this is another way you can mount spoilers to cars, to die-cast model cars, is basically here at the back, and then glue the spoiler on, and smooth all this stuff out. And by the way, my spoiler is not wanting to cooperate, so let's glue it again, and there you go. That's perfect looking. It's a duck just wiggling the spoiler. It's perfect looking. Absolutely perfect. Can't really see below this huge, absolutely monstrous wing. It's basically covering about 1/3 of the car. So I basically made it 1/3 longer with all this huge spoiler.
Okay, and what the next step?
The next step is to reinforce the spoiler bond with the car. By the way, my exhaust fell off. That's just great. This thing is no longer turbo. It's just stock with a huge wing on the back of it. So, don't recommend putting on stuff like spoilers and exhausts with hot glue, but if you don't have money to have like cool glues, this is like perfect. This is a perfect method of putting everything on. By the way, everything except the die-cast is DIY. So there's nothing else than metal and the base and the wheels. That's all. Let's see how it looks. Now that is a beautiful BelAir. That is one beautiful BelAir. I think it started looking way nicer than before.
Do your job.
So,
Bird is the name. Involved is the
basically
chain.
what the BelAir is
Total
looking
watch.
now.
Prezi plain Jane.